sleeping in the barn. Dust on chrome, bent old horn. Fort 8 Horch under tar and time. Moth-eaten seats and a frozen wine. I read the badge like a prayer, turned that key, heard empty air. Then I rolled up my sleeves, found the spark beneath the leaves. One good wrench, one true hand, gonna bring her back to land. Horch on the road, Horch on the road. Hear that? New wiring tucked away, fresh black paint, old car parade, polished glass, stitch seats tied, white wall tires in the morning light. Every bolt and every shine tells a story back in time. Now the gauge is wake again, oil's warm and engine's clean. I can almost hear her sing through the rust and through the rain. Horch on the road, Horch on the road. Hear that engine clear its throat. Horch on the road, Horch on the road. Chrome in the sun, I'm coming home. Coming home. Took a slow down gravel bend, past the fence and through the wind. Kids turn heads, folks smile wide, like an old dream came alive. One more turn